T-Dog, what are we doing today?
Man, we had one of our good friends at another roofing company here in Nashville call us out. We have a repairability assessment that we're needing to do on a property. The insurance company has opened up a repair on some shingles over in this area, so we are trying to determine if repairs can actually be done without causing damage to surrounding shingles. So we're using the method that's been peer-reviewed, published, and is being trained over at Building Experts Institute. So if you haven't already, check that out. Wonderful certification to have, and we'll be able to clearly document whether repairs can be made on here or not. So check it out. That had hinging, we had none that were affected by an impact from a tool. We had no full delaminations, and then we had no tears. So that ends up getting us our final legend count, and then we will determine how many shingles have issues with granular adhesion throughout that, which I have a feeling is going to be the whole thing. Attempted repair. There's just tons in here. Trying to get some of this stuff out. And you can see again where that begins to cause these to hinge or potentially completely delaminate. So we'll carefully try and get these fasteners put in, document any damage. All right, so we got everything whooped out here at this repairability assessment. I had 3 shingles that ended up damaged as a direct result of the attempted repair, and we had probably more granular loss than I've seen doing a repair before. So in my professional opinion, this roof, not taking into account building codes, not taking into account if I can get this shingle or not,